Welcome back to Tech Notes. Today we are breaking down one of the most underrated features on LG Smart TVs, the Home Dashboard. This is where all your inputs, devices, and smart controls come together in one place. Let me show you how to use it like a pro. Let's get started. There are many ways to reach the Home Dashboard. Just press the Home button on your Magic Remote, scroll down to the Home Dashboard icon, or just go to the right and open it. This is where everything connected to your TV lives.
This first section on the left shows every video source your TV can use. Live TV, antenna, HDMI 1, here it's PlayStation, HDMI 2, maybe a home theater, laptop or receiver or anything plugged to the HDMI 2 port. Screen share or casting options, if you had any, would be visible here. USB devices also, when you plug one in, would be visible here. You can click any input directly from here without opening the full settings menu. It's fast, simple, and always up to date. Now the middle section is all about quick functions. These tiles are not settings, they are shortcuts. Connect mobile device. These are guides for casting your phone. Here you have how to connect to Sync app guide and how to just share screen to the TV. In the Sync app guide, you have this QR code. Scan it to download the app, then connect. If you want a full guide, you can find it in the card up here. AirPlay. Use this to control casting settings from iPhone or Mac. Soundshare. Here you can connect your phone through Bluetooth to share sound to the TV speakers. In the TV speaker, you can switch between sound outputs, whether you go for wired, HDMI or ARC wires, or wireless speakers using Bluetooth, or a combination of both. Bluetooth. Pair and manage your Bluetooth devices, headphones, speakers, a joystick, or maybe a keyboard. This is basically your quick tools area. Anything sound or casting related will show right here. On the right, you will see the Home IoT devices panel. If you have any LG Sync smart devices like an LG AC, washer, fridge, robot vacuum, they will show up in this section. If you don't have smart devices linked, this section will simply stay empty like mine. Why this dashboard is useful? In real use, the Home Dashboard is perfect when you want quick access to HDMI devices, a fast Bluetooth pairing option, easy AirPlay casting, and a central place for smart home control. No deep settings, no menus, just everything in one clean page. Finally, here we have the Home Dashboard options. Here you can edit inputs, rename or change the icon, manage notifications from connected IoT devices, show or hide connectable IoT devices, use universal control settings, which allow you to control connected devices using the Magic Remote, plus you have the user guide and QNED app. And that's your complete walkthrough of the Home Dashboard on LG TVs. Clean, simple, and everything in one place. If you want a full guide on inputs, Bluetooth, and organizing your apps, those are all on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.